Good evening, my people. I believe you are all doing well. And first of all, I would like to say thank you for supporting me from day one till today. And today is my birthday too. Thanks for the wishes, the gift, and everything. Thank you so much. If it wasn't you guys, I wouldn't be here today. And I'm very grateful. I think for some time now, I wanted to do this video, but I think today is the right time because due to the reason that it's my birthday, and I want to clear something from my heart, and okay, let's get back to business. Okay, cool. So the reason why I'm here today is I've sat down and thought of things that is going on in my life, and I need to share this with you guys. So first of all, I'm here today, and I accept every blame and every cause of any issues that goes on the internet about me, because me nipa, I'm a human, you know, and I'm also a leader. So sometimes I might think what I'm doing is right, but that same thing will seem bad to someone else. So I'm here today to ask for forgiveness from my people, my friends, my colleagues, people that I used to train. Like, you get it. You might feel what I did was wrong, but maybe it happened for a reason. So I'm here to tell you guys I'm so sorry. Find a way in your heart, anybody that feels I've offended. And last thing I want to address is that some people normally do videos, say bad things about me, and I always see in my comment section people commenting, you are arrogant, you are this. I don't blame them. It's the people around me that mostly spread all this bad news about me. So it's hardly for me to come online to try to clear the air about the things that goes on. So what I'm saying is, I know you fans can help me solve this issue. So what I'm also saying is, I'm begging you guys, anybody who comes online, spread bad rumors about me, bad tags about me, and later come my house, then come plead guilty and apologize. Please, when you go, I'm begging you, and then I wish I could kneel down. Kindly find a way to replace the bad news about me, the bad tags, with the good news, because you came to my house and there was no camera on to video you as pleading guilty. And I'm just pleading for you to come online, do the same way you did to me earlier, for people to see the good side of me and people to feel like this is the real me. So my people, I'm here today to with the help of you guys, I think I'll be okay if you guys are able to help me do this. Thank you so much from day one till today for showing me good love and the support. Sometimes I feel like, okay, what do people really see in me? What do they believe in me? Like, what do they see? What really attracts them? And I promise you, I'll keep doing what you guys like to always get our attention. And thank you for being supportive. Thanks for being there for me from day one till today. God bless you.